crochet basic stitches. So we'll be starting with a slip knot, single crochet, half double crochet, and a double crochet. Okay, so we will be starting with the slip knot. Okay, rub your finger, rub the yarn into your finger, around your finger, like this. Okay, you can do pull up the yarn from behind, going in the front, and then pull it like that. Okay, so there you go, you have your slip knot. Okay, or else you can do this one, wrap your yarn around your finger, hold it. Okay, so it's just simple, hold it in the front. Okay, wrap around the back and then come back to the front, and then hold it, place it on the top of the short one. Okay, and then grab your hook and then place it, insert it into the circle, and then grab the yarn from behind and pull it on the front, and then just have to pull it tight. Okay, so there you go, that is your slip knot. Okay, so that's the basic slip knot. Okay, when you start crocheting. Okay, and then now we will be doing chain. Okay, so yarn over. Okay, yarn over, put your hook on the bottom of your yarn and then pull it up. Okay, twist your hook. Okay, and pull the yarn through to the hole. Okay, another one. Okay, yarn over. Okay, twist your hook and pull through to the hole. Okay, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. Okay, yarn over, pull through, 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 yarn over, pull through. And then what I'm doing is I don't make a very tight chain. You can do tight chain as well, but for us, because it's a beginners and learning the basics, so I'm just making it spacious. Okay, so it's not too hard for you guys. Okay, that it's still learning. Okay, so yarn over, pull through. Okay, yarn over, pull through, because if we will doing it tight and then you will be like struggling. Okay, so just give your self a space until you're you know how to do it. Okay, and then you can adjust the tension of your chain. Okay, so yarn over, pull through too. Okay, so this is our chain. Okay, so now we will be doing, so we have to count your chain. Okay, so okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, okay, now we will be doing single crochet. Okay, after the chain we will be doing single crochet. Okay, by doing single crochet is we are going to insert our hook not in the first one but in the second chain. Okay, so insert the hook just there, insert here, okay, and yarn over, okay, pull through, okay, so you have 2 loops in your hook, yarn over and pull through 2. Okay, so we will be doing this over and over again until we reach the end of the chain. Okay, so the next chain, okay, so it's just here. Okay, so you insert your hook, okay, yarn over, pull through, we have 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, so the next one is just here, insert your hook, okay, yarn over, pull through, okay, 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, the next one, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, the next one, insert, yarn over, pull through, 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Okay, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2. Insert, yarn over, pull through, 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, insert, yarn over, pull through, and yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, insert, yarn over, pull through, and yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, insert, yarn over, pull through, and yarn over, pull through 2. Insert to the next chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. Insert to the next chain, yarn over, pull through, it's stuck. Insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. The next chain, insert, yarn over, pull through, 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Okay, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, to the last chain, insert, yarn over, pull through, okay, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, so this is just, never mind this, guys, because it's just so this one is yeah, it's a collection of 2 yarns together. Okay, so this is our single crochet. Okay, so by doing single crochet is if you're doing single crochet with your project, okay, what you will do, what you have to do next is just chain 1. Okay, so chain 1, okay, turn your work, okay, and then single crochet, okay, single crochet into the rows, the chains, okay, on top of the one that we did. Okay, so turn your work, okay, and we have a chain 1 here, so we're not going to work there, we are going to work in the next chain. Insert your hook, okay, so here is the chain 1. Okay, so we're not going to work there, but we're going to work here. Okay, so insert your hook, okay, and 2 loops, and then yarn over and pull through 2. Okay, so and then the next, so we work here, now we have to work here. Okay, so insert, yarn over, pull through, 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2. So that's all you have to do if you're working on a single crochet project. Okay, now we are going to do half double crochet. Okay, so with the half double crochet is to the next chain and yarn over. Okay, you have 3 loops in your hooks. Okay, yarn over and pull all 3. Okay, so yarn over to the next chain, insert, yarn over, pull through, 3 loops, yarn over, pull through all 3. So another one, yarn over, insert to the next chain, yarn over, pull through, 3 loops, and yarn over, pull through all 3. Okay, so yarn over, insert to the next chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3. Okay, so that is half double crochet. Okay, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3. Okay, yarn over, insert to the next chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3, yarn over, next chain, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3, yarn over, pull, insert, yarn over, pull through, one, yarn over, pull through all 3. Okay, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3, yarn over, pull, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3. Okay, okay, so this is our half double crochet. Okay, so the last one, insert to the last one, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3. Okay, and then do the same. Okay, chain 1 and yarn over, insert, not this chain but the next chain, insert, yarn over, pull through all 3, yarn over, pull through all 3. Okay, so yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3. Okay, so then we will be doing double crochet. Okay, so yarn over, insert to the next chain. Okay, yarn over, pull through, we have 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, yarn over, insert to the next chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, so that is the double crochet. Yarn over, insert, yarn over, 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So that is our double crochet. Okay, so it's very simple. Yarn over, insert to the chain, yarn over, pull through 3, so you have 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. Insert, yarn over, 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Insert, yarn over, insert, yarn over, 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. double crochet. Okay, so that is our double crochet, and this is our half double crochet, and this is our single crochet. Okay, so single crochet, half double crochet, and double crochet. Okay, and then we started from chain, and then we did our single crochet, and then half double crochet, and then double crochet. Okay, so good luck guys, and happy crocheting. Bye, thank you for watching.